Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by organizing your raw data into clear columns with concise headers. Convert the range into an Excel table so formulas and charts expand automatically. Define named ranges for key inputs to keep calculations stable and readable. Use structured references in formulas to avoid cell address errors during updates. Add a last updated column and record the update cadence, for example daily at 9:00. This foundation prevents broken links and simplifies downstream monitoring and reporting. Build core KPIs using SUMIFs, averagefs, and countifs for segmented totals and averages. Use index and match rather than volatile lookup functions for dependable row retrievals. Apply conditional formatting rules to highlight exceptions like rates above 95% or inventory below 50 units. Create data validation lists and length rules to prevent bad inputs that break calculations. Add helper columns for rolling calculations, such as last 7 days or month to date. Test each formula with edge cases to ensure accurate monitoring. Automate data loads using Power Query or VBA to refresh sources and pivot tables. Set scheduled refreshes on OneDrive or Power BI to keep dashboards current without manual steps. Design a dashboard using charts, sparklines, and slicers to allow interactive filtering by date and region. Add visual alerts and icons to surface anomalies quickly for stakeholders. Protect sheets and lock formulas to prevent accidental edits while enabling filters for users. Share the workbook with OneDrive or Teams and document the refresh schedule for colleagues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.